Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka from 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Rajo ragatmakam viddhi trishna sanga samudbhavam तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसंगेन देहिनम् ॐ Realize and always remember that Rajogunam is the source of thirst for all sensual enjoyments. Keep trying to see that Sattvagunam is always dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano Virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 268th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma, the Supreme, the Master of all the worlds, and the very cause of this entire creation, such Paramatma with his own sankalpam, he took the form of Sri Krishna as a boy in this Gopala Vamsam. And now he is just behaving like a Gopabala because everything is under his control. Paramatma, the one who is served by Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi Devi. Such Paramatma now as a Krishna, he is behaving just like one Gopabala and playing with all the other Gopabalas, and he is doing all his activities just like an innocent boy in this Gopala Vamsam. And he is making everyone happy with his divine, miraculous, innocent activities. What a great fortune of all the residents of Vrindavanam. Like that, when Krishna Paramatma is enjoying in that forest along with Baladeva and other friends, then Sridama Nama Gopalo Rama Kesavayoh Sakhaha Subalastoka Krishnadya Gopaha Premnedamabruvan. There is one friend, very close friend to Krishna and Balarama. His name is Sridama. And other friends, Subala, Stoka, Krishna. They all came to Krishna and Balarama and saying like this: Rama Rama Mahabaho Krishna Dushta Nibarhana Ito Vidure Sumahat Vanam Talali Sankulam. Durambunan Tala Tarusparam Bhaguvanamukaladu. Ho Baladeva, the one who has strong shoulders. Ho Krishna, the one who kills all the bad. Such O Baladeva and Ho Krishna, there is one beautiful vanam, beautiful park very close to us. Like that, all the friends saying to Baladeva and Krishna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter 7th sloka. Rajo ragatmakam vidhi trishna sanga samudbhavam tannibadhnati kaunteya karma sangena dehinam. Rajo ragatmakam vidhi trishna sanga samudbhavam tannibadhnati kaunteya karma sangena dehinam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.